Are you searching for best budget robot vacuum? Today I am going to review top 5 best budget robot vacuum in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Starting number 1, ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, orders reviews, brand name, ABIR, model, X8. The robot vacuum cleaner is made of high-quality ABS material, which is durable and has a long service life. ABIR robot vacuum cleaner can be used to clean carpets, floors and other surfaces. It is very suitable for cleaning the floor surface of your home or office. X8 has dual laser slam navigation 8-core imported chip, which is more advanced than other LDS robot. Starting number 2. IMOU Robotic Self-Empty Vacuum Cleaner, orders and reviews, brand name, IMOU, self-emptying, 3000 ml dust disposal bag and auto dirt disposal base, quick mapping, multi-channel sensor with LiDAR navigation, never miss a spot, path calculation powered by smart algorithms, strong suction, efficiently clean with 2700 PA suction, 3-in-1 system. Includes sweeping, vacuuming and mopping, smooth moving, avoids crosses obstacles without getting stuck, app control, customize, schedule and supervise your cleaning. If the battery gets low, it will return to get charged, then resume cleaning. Starting number 3. XIAOMI MIJIA 3C Robot Vacuum Mop, orders reviews, brand name, XIAOMI, model, 3C, XIAOMI MIJIA 3C Robot Vacuum Mop 3C Plus Enhanced Sweeping Washing Mopping, Home Cleaner Dust 4000 PA LDS Scan Cyclone Suction Map. XIAOMI MIJIA Robot Vacuum Mop 3C covers your whole house via laser navigation technology for a deeper clean. Number 4. NEATSVOR X600 Pro 6000 PA LDS Navigation Robot Vacuum Cleaner, orders and reviews, brand name, NEATSVOR. NEATSVOR X600 Pro gives you clean floors every day, in an entire level of your home. Use the app to clean or schedule from anywhere, anytime. X600 Pro knows exactly where it has been and where it needs to go, recharging as needed until the job is done. Its suction power is up to 6000 PA, capturing dirt, dust, all types of hair and larger debris from hard floors and carpets. With 2 extra long side brushes, X600 Pro works harder where dirt is hiding. Number 5. Hongjingyang Robot Vacuum Cleaner, orders and reviews, brand name, Hongjingyang, Robot Vacuum Cleaner Map Navigation, Wet Mopping, Disinfect, 4000 Pascals Suction, Smart Memory, Home Appliance, Vacuum Cleaner Tools.